Hi, my name is Dr. Charles, and the pretty lady next to me is one of my favorite patients, Lori. And between us is my dog, Dolce. Now, I've got somewhat of an unusual weight loss tip to share with you today. A tip that's been right under our noses our whole life. Literally. It's also one of the most important tips that I've shared with my patients in the clinic here in Fishers, Indiana. It's a very simple tip that could help you quickly lose 1 to 2 inches from your belly in under a week. Now, I need you to listen very closely. This video contains one of my biggest fat-burning secrets. This is not some magical weight loss pill. It has nothing to do with that crazy acai berry garbage or any special weight loss drops or any of the other incredibly scammy weight loss gimmicks that we see all over the internet these days. In fact, these tips date all the way back to the 1950s and help explain why the majority of all Americans are now considered obese. And no, it might not be because we eat too many bad foods. I'll show you how you should be able to eat some bad foods and still lose weight. Hey, believe it or not, it's not your fault. But before I get into the specifics, let me quickly tell you a little bit about myself. First of all, I'm a board-certified chiropractic physician, certified wellness practitioner, certified advanced nutritionist, speaker, author, have helped thousands worldwide. One more thing, before we go any further, let me tell you about someone that I'm extremely proud of. A patient of mine named Lori. Now, she was your typical working mom with 3 children to take care of. Yes, I said 3. Lori was my guinea pig at the beginning and helped me create this program. Now, she comes from a very poor line of genetics, obesity, diabetes, heart disease, etc. So I thought if this program worked for her, it might be able to help anyone. This one specific tip that I'm about to share with you helped Lori lose 2 inches from her belly, lose 8 pounds in only 9 days, lose 2 inches from each thigh, lose 3/4 of an inch from each arm, drop 3 dress sizes. At the age of 30, she now wears a smaller dress than she did in high school. Now, I know you're probably skeptical, and I don't blame you. I mean, it sounds like something so dramatic that it must be torn from one of those supermarket tabloids, right? But it isn't. Lori ultimately lost a whopping 90 pounds of fat and dropped 16 dress sizes. 16! Lori went from this, 210 pounds, which, by the way, is the weight that she couldn't get rid of after her last pregnancy, to this, 120 pounds. So, is it actually possible to overcome these silly genetics? Well, I've got some great news. You can, and I'm about to share with you one simple tip that can instantly boost your fat loss. Guaranteed. Knowing what I'm about to share with you will make you realize why the popular, well-known, so-called diet programs simply don't work long-term. Mega-rich weight loss companies make money off of people like you and I by selling us stuff that leads to, at best, temporary results. But here's the thing. We don't need them in their expensive weight loss gimmicks to lose weight. What I'm about to share with you is key to actually being able to eat some bad foods and still burn fat. As well as hundreds of our patients, we've developed an all-encompassing system designed for long-term, life-changing results. We call this system the Fat Loss Factor. It's made up of several easy-to-understand components. Now, in just a second, I'm going to show you a ton of before and after pictures of real-world people, besides Lori, that have gotten incredible results using the Fat Loss Factor program. I guarantee that it can help anyone lose weight. Look, can I guarantee you'll have the exact same results as these guys? Of course not. Not everyone will actually follow the steps I outlined in the program. It's sad, but it's true. But with that said, I can absolutely guarantee 2 things. First, if you follow my program, you will see results. Heck, they could even be better than what you've seen in this presentation. Second, if you're not 110% happy with your results, you can keep your money and the course for free. With the full Fat Loss Factor program, you'll get the exact system that me, that Matt, that Rachel, Tim, and Lori, and thousands of others have used. You can change your body and your life, and I'm so incredibly confident that it will work for you that like I said earlier, if for any reason you decide the Fat Loss Factor program isn't for you, just email me within 8 entire weeks and I'll give you a full refund and let you keep everything for free. The entire Fat Loss Factor system, teaching you the truth behind fast, permanent weight loss. A system that allows you to still enjoy your favorite foods. These are the exact methods used by Lori, Rachel, Matt, and Tim, who you met earlier. You'll know and have access to everything they do. Now, because this isn't a video that we'll be leaving up for long, and you managed to get here while it's still up, we've set up a special discount to get the full Fat Loss Factor program. The regular price and the price that others have paid is a price that's much higher than most all-diet programs that you've likely seen. And the reason is because I reveal things that nobody else reveals. The regular price for the methods taught in the full Fat Loss Factor Success Package is $732, which is the price I've charged in my clinic to meet one-on-one with me. Now, here's where you benefit. Since the Fat Loss Factor program is instantly downloadable, well, I don't have to pay my clinic overhead. I don't have to pay my employees to schedule appointments for me. I didn't meet with you face-to-face, and I don't have to ship it to you. Basically, that means I can reduce my overhead fees and pass the savings on to you because I don't have to pay out as much. Now, I told you earlier that I'm going to make this affordable for everyone. I'm not going to charge anywhere near $732 for this package. Because you've shown me and yourself that you are committed to losing weight, or you wouldn't have listened to this entire video. If you order right now, I want to give you the special recipes book that Lori wrote that lists over 60 meals and shakes that she ate while losing 90-plus pounds. These are meals that are so good that we both still eat them to this very day. And to make sure that you have absolutely no excuse for not taking control of your health and life with the Fat Loss Factor system, I'm going to lower the price even more and give you the entire Fat Loss Factor system, the bonuses, the recipes book, for just $47. Not the already huge 90% off discounted price of $97. You can get everything for just $47. But you must order through this video by clicking on the Add to Cart button below right now. You've learned about a nearly foolproof method of losing 1 to 2 inches of belly fat in under a week. You've seen the dramatic changes that took place in me and Lori, Rachel, Matt, and Tim by following the remaining easy steps in the full Fat Loss Factor program. You've seen just how much is included in the Fat Loss Factor package and what lengths I'll go to see you finally change your body. You've gotten a crazy money-back guarantee where you can get a refund for any reason at all and get to keep everything for free. And you've even gotten an enormous discount off the regular price of the program, from $732 to only $47. Oh, and one last thing I forgot to mention. We just created 2 more special bonus videos to help you with the rest of the program, just to make sure that you can get started right away. The first video is called What Not to Wear, and it's about how to dress to make you look skinny. This can instantly make you look like you've lost 10 pounds. The second video is Lori making a trip to the local health food store, teaching you exactly what to look for, what aisles to go down, what to look at on labels, etc. This will answer all of your grocery shopping questions so that you know the right aisles to shop in and the ones to avoid. The third video is a quick start video that takes you through the course in 10 minutes to make it brain dead easy to get started. Okay, here's what our most recent customers have said. From Gia in Tempe, Arizona. She writes, I had my 16-year-old daughter run through it once school let out. In 2 weeks, she dropped 24 pounds. Or how about this one from Joyce in Boston? Joyce writes, since starting this diet in April, I've lost 25 pounds. I love this diet. And then there's John from Boulder, Colorado, who said, within 3 days, I lost 5 pounds of fat and reduced my waist size by at least 1 belt buckle. So here you are, staring at the fork in the road. 2 distinct directions that you can choose from. One road is well traveled. The pavement is cracked, bumpy, and full of potholes. This is the same road that you've been on for years, and it leads you right back to the life that you have right now. A life where you keep doing what you've been doing and keep getting what you've been getting. And then there's that other road. Brand new pavement. Pristine and smooth. This road meanders gently across new ground. A delightful trip that takes you at your own pace, but delivers you quickly to your new body. Your new outlook. Your new confidence. Paved with my hundreds of hours of research and writing. The only road that we guarantee will melt your fat from your toughest areas faster than a blowtorch can melt ice cubes. The road that leads straight to your brand new body, your brand new life. Download that new life below. As you consider putting the system to work for you, imagine how great you will soon look, how healthy and sexy and alive you'll soon feel. Remember, this is the one plan we personally guarantee will work on your trouble spots. Your hips, thighs, glutes, your abs, and do it with unheard of speed and ease. And don't forget how time-sensitive this offer is. If you act real fast and you get the groundbreaking Fat Loss Factor system, a whole year of product updates, the year of coaching, the Success Toolbox, and Lori's new videos she created just for you. You're getting all of that for this low price because you're among the very first to grab this offer. So, give it a try so you can take advantage of the discounted price and Lori's amazing money-back guarantee. Click the button below now. I truly hope that this is where you'll decide things will change. We've laid out the exact roadmap for you to lose the weight you want to lose. Now, it's up to you. I mean it when I say I can't wait to meet you and look forward to helping you completely change your body and life in the days to come.